Jay-Z said, "I'm not a businessman. I'm a business man." So what does that mean? Let's take a look at people like Jay-Z, of course, Oprah Winfrey, Michael Jordan, David Beckham, and Martha Stewart. They built a brand around their name, and people will buy almost anything from them just because a product is tied to their name or brand. However, most people in the online marketing space only promote their product, service, or opportunity. They just spam their company links all over the place and just pitch. You see, this strategy just doesn't work for most people. And if that's what you've been doing, you've forgotten that you are the product to promote. People buy into people first. Products and services come and go, but your name always remains. Building up your name or brand first will eventually outshine the business you promote. This will create more attraction to you and what you offer, which means more leads and sales on autopilot. For example, people like Gary Vaynerchuk, Grant Cardone, Ty Lopez, Casey Neistat, and Eric Thomas all use this concept. They've learned that it's all about building you Inc. to win big online. So how can you become the business? Start creating content. Content is the new currency in the world of online marketing. Content, and yes, more content. Like creating videos, blogging, taking pictures, and using social media to share your experiences and expertise. Invite people into your world and build your audience. Then consistently provide value to that audience. Value means give your audience what they want and solve their problems first. You'll get what you want in a huge way later on. We can all learn from Jay-Z and the other people I mentioned. Remember, you're not just in business, you are the business.